Hey, look, it's Gareth and Janet. Oh, and it's hot and steamy. We are getting off the ship today in Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala. Or Quetzal. Depends on how you want to say it. And the ship is the Grand Princess, and it's their maiden port call here. The Grand Princess has never been here before. Janet got ahead of me there. She didn't hear me calling her while I cleaned off the lenses. So like I say, we're on the Grand Princess. And there's not much right here at the port. There's this little place here, which we're going to explore. There's a town about 10 minutes from here drive, an hour walk. And I don't think we're going to head into it. So, I guess this is the port gates. And this is the terminal building. And that's the Jaguar. And that's the map. And this is the help. Information desk, right? And I guess here's where they scan your medallions. So here's a little bar. Let me go over here. Oh, there's people posing. So that's Antigua, or Antigua. That's where most of the tours go to. It's an hour and a half from here though by bus. Maybe a little more. Skull. Dia de los Muertos. Slow down. Yeah. Oh, there's a bathroom. I guess the girls was on the other side. I didn't see it. So it's nice and shady here, as you can see. And these people are protecting this little tree so it has a chance to grow. And this is what chocolate looks like. And that's also what chocolate looks like. Ah, I'm fine. Do I want to have some?
I have coffee from Guatemala, hot chocolate, or tea. Would you like to try?
Oh, I don't want anything. Thanks. Stand in front of that fan. Another one rides the bus. Oh. T-shirts. Nothing is priced. Nothing I can see anyway. Look at those shirts. You can get a little purse or wallet that says Guatemala. Oh, these look familiar. I have a couple of these at home. Don't think they say Guatemala on them now?
Yes, my friend, how are you? The price was 5 pero 3%. 3%. It's offer. Ya no more color.
So the hacky sacks are $5, 3 for 10. But shot glasses. And Bracelets are 3% also. 2x5?
Yeah.
2 for $5 maybe? Oh, look at these. How colorful. Don't know what I'd do with them. I'm just a sloth anyway. Oh, would I look good in one of those? Maybe Janet. Hey, look at the tops. What are these? I think they're puppets, hand puppets, right? Plastic recycling bags. Okay. Well, that's how they make them. Hey, prices. Not on that stuff. Look, stuffed whales. And parrots. Parrot, 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 parrot. And loose concrete. So be careful. More coffee, but no donuts. Look at these right here.
Hello. Shopping and fishing.
Postcards. So it's quite extensive here, although, you know, it is just a tourist place. Here's more tops. More, not four. The Guatemala license plate. Central America. Oh, look at the wood carving. Those are like puzzles or secret boxes. Are those flutes?
Yeah. Look at that.
Is it wood or plastic? When you picked it up, it sounded like plastic. You think they'll let us bring those on the ship?
Gracias.
Oh, yeah. Jaguar. I don't think there's elephants in Guatemala except in the zoo, maybe. Big flutes. And hash pipes. Came from down there. Janet actually bought a bracelet for $5, which I guess started at 10, 15, she says. Most of the stuff is the same in every booth. And I'm going to say most of the prices are the same in every booth. Just depends on how much they'll go down, right? And it looks like more bathrooms. And then more place. More shopping. And then I think that's the exit up there. Of course, I've only walked about 10-15 minutes and I got sweat dripping down my face. That's how humid it is. Hi. Oh. Oh, this is a huge place. Whoop.
All these people, we've all been background checked and everything.
Go there, a couple of hours, and then come back.
But there's no taxis waiting, no nothing. I guess you'd have to arrange it. This guy acts like he knows what he's doing. Like he runs. Runs it.
Puerto Chiapas. So they switched to here. Yeah, you're pulling too much water.
Okay, sir. Hey, remember, you said jade. Relax.
Hello.
Hi. People sleeping over there.
Ay, mala.
Yo le digo para que mejor que vaya ahí. Una pura lluvia pues. Y no quería ni pan.
Well, the port gates were through that building. Here's the Coconut Man. Hammock. More hats.
California.
Shot glasses, pipes, skulls. Tops. Helicopters. Guessing they don't really fly though. And monkeys.
Oh yeah, it makes you sweaty.
Hey, we saw that same monkey in Manzanillo, I believe.
Hello, hummingbirds, ma'am. You're doing a Christian.
Hummingbirds now.
3 for 10. 3 for 10, almost free. Yeah, 3 for 10.
3 for 10, almost free. Canes. Those.
Shots.
The flitter.
Oh, it's a shopper's paradise, right? Chickens.
Something. Hola.
Hola. Monkeys. Baby monkeys. It's the flag of Guatemala. Sideways, of course. And they've spread, I don't know, grass on the pavement, on the cobblestones. So coffee, license plates, keychains, cigarettes, shot glasses, necklaces,
Hola, amigo.
hats, shirts. Music.
Nice.
Guess somebody's getting a phone call. Beaded dinosaur, beaded pig, beaded iguanas, beaded frogs, octopus. So over here you have the big letters saying Guatemala. Not Puerto Quetzal though, but it'll do. Oh, on this side though it says Algarmega. There's the port gate, well, the security leading back to the ship. Lemons, add salt and tequila. Okay, when life gives you lemons, add salt and tequila. Get it? It's air conditioning. So their exchange rate is almost exactly right. I got 0.85, not 0.65.
You can stay right there.
Don't think those are real bones? No. But these are real tools. Maybe they're real. What do I know? They're behind glass.
He also gives jade its color.
The mysteries of jade.
Versions of copper or chrome or nickel.
I think that's jade. Free Wi-Fi. Hey, wait. Do you see the similarity there?
Looks just like you.
Except I forgot my ear things.
Your flutes in your ears?
Whoa. Forgot I had it up so far. So, that was the Jade Museum. So beers are $5, which, you know.
Seems a little steep to me for here.
I wasn't going to say it, but yeah, it does. But it's a business, and it's cheaper than on the ship, right? I think they're $8 on the ship. The crew is showing off now.
Otter safari.
So there's El Salvador. Camera's beeping. You are here. Mexico's there. Guatemala, Belize up there. Last time we were in Guatemala, we went to Santo Tomas de Castilla, right? On the Caribbean side. From Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala. I'm Garrett.
And I'm Janet. And this is you.
Bye. Might be interested in this. The ship says it's 89.6 Fahrenheit or 32 Celsius with 75% humidity. I have no idea what that feels like other than hot, hot, hot. Janet thinks so too.
Yes.